In this video, I will show you how to remove your phone number from Facebook without the WhatsApp code. So let's say you need to remove your old number, but it requires a WhatsApp code, but you don't have the WhatsApp number that they need, so you can't access the WhatsApp code. So I'll show you how to fix that. So first go to Facebook, then go to settings. So we're going to click here, then we're going to scroll down, click on settings and privacy, then click on settings here, then go to account center, then click on here profile personal details, and then click on contact info, and then I want to remove this number. So what you want to do is make sure you add an email. So add an email to your Facebook account so that they can send the code to that email. You can see here I've already added my email, and now when I come to delete my phone number, click delete number and then click delete. Now they will send a code to my email which I have access to. So I'm going to enter that code. Once you enter the code, just hit next. And then if you want to create a passcode, this way you can skip the code. For me, I'm just going to say not now. And then you can see I've deleted my old number. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.